Hi everybody, Happy New Year. It's New Year's Day. I decided to go out and try to make some money today. Last night was fantastic. I am going to put up here the information for last night. We went out for 3 hours and 45 minutes and made 210, I don't remember how much, around 210, something like that. So it was pretty great. It was slammed, pouring rain. I was soaked, but it was fun. It was so busy. I haven't had it like that in a long time. We had a great time, made some good money, couple really good tips. It was good. So I'm gonna put a little synopsis here with all of the information from last night. So that was fantastic. And then we'll be moving forward through today. I have a double right now for $18 picking up at, where am I going? Panera and Urban Plates, and it's delivering like 2 miles away. Both people live on the same street, different ends of the street. So this should be pretty straightforward. It's not a ton of money, but it'll be great. So anyways, yeah. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back, let you know how it goes. But yeah, watch the information from last night. It was pretty amazing. Mostly pizza orders. Some kind of not so great orders, but we didn't have to wait anywhere. The food was ready at every single restaurant, which was fantastic. The drive was kind of treacherous in the rain, but it was... So, just so in case you don't know, I live in Southern California. Very rarely rains, and we very rarely get big, huge storms. It was a huge storm. It was raining really hard. Roads were flooding. It was a lot of rain. Anyways, I'm sure that's why people ordered. They didn't want to go out themselves. And it was New Year's Eve. Okay, so here we go. Okay, well, I dropped off that double. That was my first one from Grubhub. It was pretty straightforward. I had to wait about 5 minutes for the food. The whole thing took about a little bit less than 25 minutes, and it was for $18, $17.90 something. Then the second delivery, I was dropping it off and I got a McDonald's, and you know what, I cannot remember how much it was for. I want to say like $13, going like 2 miles. I'm like, I'll take that. That was an Uber Eats. And then as I'm pulling in to the parking lot, I got a Grubhub.
Use the right lane to take exit 47.
A Grubhub, also from McDonald's, which is going in the neighborhood right before where the Uber Eats person was, and it was like $16. So I took that. I go to this guy's house a lot. Anyways, I know exactly where he is, and it's right on the way to their house. Anyways, so I just picked those both up, and now I'm on my way to the first person, the Grubhub. I will drop his off, and then it's literally like 3 more minutes to the other person. So
Turn right.
it's gonna be a very, very easy couple here. So that will be good.
Stay in the middle lane.
I survived filling a cup. Oh my God, this is so ridiculous, this whole debate that people have on Facebook mostly and on Reddit about the delivery drivers filling the drinks. I could care less. I will fill the drinks. I really don't care. It takes 30 seconds. It's not a big deal. I know a lot of people are really upset about having to do it, but I didn't care. I survived. I filled the drink and I delivered the drink, and whatever. I'm not sure what the deal is, but I don't care about it. So anyways, I'm really gonna go maybe like 3 blocks. I'll be at the first person's house. And then I'll let you know what happens if anything else pops up.
Turn left on.
Okay, dropped those both off. Just got a Jersey Mike's, going about 4 miles. Okay, it's delivering in this neighborhood. Well, it's not directly in it. It's across from this neighborhood where I went, I don't know, maybe last week. I don't remember when it was. I delivered to a very, very famous person's house. It was one Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. And these houses are spectacular in there. It's this neighborhood that has, I looked it up. I think there's 20 houses in there, and they aren't houses, these are mansion palaces. Anyways, the house I went to looked like a palace. Anyways, they each have 20 acres, and the houses are like 13,000 square feet, that sort of thing. It was, I didn't see anybody, but I looked it up later because I want to know who lived there. It was spectacular. Anyways, I'm not going to tell you who it is. I'm going to respect their privacy, but it was a very, very famous person. A celebrity. A musician. There you go. She's a musician. Oops. I just told it was a girl. It's a female musician. That's all I'm telling you. Anyways, so this house that I'm delivering these to is right across the way from there. The only reason I really accepted it is because I've never been back in this area, and I kind of like to see all these different areas that are gated that normal people can't really access. So yeah, so anyways, I'll let you know how this one looks. Maybe I'll flip my camera around so you can watch. Ooh, that'd be fun. I'll do that. Okay. Oh, what did you think of that drive? That house was very pretty, but the views were spectacular. I don't know if you caught it. There was as we were coming, after I dropped off the order and I was coming back down the hill, there was a blue balloon like flying up in the sky. I pulled over to try to get a picture of it, but I don't think I got it. But that was kind of cool. Anyways, very nice view, nice house. It came to $13 instead of $12.75, so it was an extra 25 cents. Then I tried to accept an offer, but I didn't have enough cell coverage. It wouldn't let me. It was $18 Carl's Jr. going like 5 miles, but I didn't get it. Okay, here's a Denny's. Oh no, I don't want that one. It's going very far. 11 miles for $11. So I'm not gonna do that one. Denny's is not my favorite place. They've been much better lately, I will say. If it's a big enough amount, I'll take them, but I'm not going to take, well, that one I wouldn't have taken anyways, but any borderline Denny's, I don't accept anymore. So, I wanted to talk about, ooh, what in the world is this? The Burger Den. I might take this one. Let me pull over and look at it. $25, going 9 miles. Burger Den is also Denny's. But, where's it going? I'm gonna take this. It's going 9 miles, but it's going to a nice area, and it's going to an area near a lot of restaurants. So, $25, I'll do that one. That's far, I know it is far, and it is Denny's. But like I said, it's worth it because it's 25 bucks. So, anyways, let's see, when's it gonna be ready? 12:22. Okay, so we got 10 minutes. I have no idea how much I've made. It's all right up here. I don't cottage eat pack anymore. It's so hard. Just dropped off that one from Burger Barn, or whatever it's called. The burger place has the ghost kitchen inside, or virtual kitchen, whatever it's called, inside of Denny's. Came to $25.25, something like that. It was a $17 tip, which was nice. I accepted a Grubhub for $13.50 going 4 miles from Nick the Greek. So I'm going to go pick that up. Hopefully it's ready. It's so hard with Grubhub. I just can't trust them. Sometimes they're on the ball and other times not. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go do that. I'll keep you posted. I have a question for you. Anybody an expert on optics? Okay, when the sun is just like this, like it's cloudy, sunny, clear skies, cloudy skies, all at the same time, and just this amount of light. If I wear my sunglasses, they're almost, when I look at my screen to read it, everything is like, almost like when you watch a 3D movie and you take your glasses off. It's kind of like that. I see like a little shadow of the text. It makes it very hard to read. Actually, while I drive, I want to wear these. But when I have to read the app, I have to take them off because it's like right now, I can read it, but it's not clear. It's like a little bit of, I don't even know how to describe it. But anyways, did anybody know why? I don't know. Anyways, I dropped off that Nick the Greek order, 13, whatever it was. And then I got a Cheesecake Factory for, oh God, how much was this one for? $13.75, going about 5 miles. I wasn't going to take it because it's taking me kind of far out where there's not really anything. But it's also 1 o'clock. And I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to go. So I decided, what the heck, I'll take it. And as soon as I accepted it, it said the order was ready. So fantastic. Picked it up, pulled in. It was very easy. Cheesecake Factory, during the day, you have to park and walk in the restaurant. At night, they have a little, like, easy up outside, which is kind of nice because then you don't have to go in. So I have a feeling there's either not many drivers out today or there's just a lot of orders because as soon as I drop something off, I get something else. Here's a Grubhub. $23. Oh, it's a double. Sesame Inn. You know, I might take this. Pull over real fast. And see where it's delivering. It says no stopping anytime, but I'm gonna stop for a second. It's a double, but they're both kind of close to each other. Where's this one? This one's, oh, that's Simi Valley. No, it was deceiving. It looked like they were close to each other. The second one is pretty far. Whole other city. There's like a mountain in the way. On the map, it looks like you could just go there, but you have to go all the way around. So anyways, yeah, so I didn't take that one. But like I was saying, I'm getting, as soon as I drop something off, I'm pretty much getting more orders, which is fun. It's like the old days. The good old COVID days. Showed you my little drive to that house. I thought it was another one. That one was pretty nice too. I couldn't see the other house from this street. You had to actually drive down their driveway, so I didn't really want to do that. And I wanted to see if that street went through as another way out, but there wasn't. Anyways, regardless, it was a very pretty house. I only tipped $5, but that's okay. The rich people generally don't tip very well. That's why they're rich, right? The best tippers are generally the working class, people that appreciate what we do and understand the reasons why people are out doing this. The rich people could care less. I shouldn't say that, but I don't think they understand. We're just all servants for them. Anyways, whatever. It was fine. It was still 13 something, so I'm good. It was not a far drive. Now, let's see if I get anything else. I'm gonna head towards my house. I took another one. It was a Del Taco for $17, going like 3 point something miles. Picked it up. Oh my God, they had 97 items. And I kind of thought 50 of them would have been hot sauce. Only 25 were hot sauces. The rest were actual items. It took Del Taco a long time. I had to wait like 5 minutes, but they were finishing the food. They were just trying to get it all into the bags. So, wow, that was crazy. I don't think I've ever delivered such a big Del Taco order. It went to a family that was having a party. I pulled up and there was easily 10 cars in the driveway. They had a real long driveway, and then in the street it was all full, so probably everybody ordered something. Anyways, I apologize. I'm like, I'm sure they probably forgot some things because this is a very big order. The guy's like, oh yeah, I always forget stuff, it's fine.